Ruhonge rwa Kuhurana Na Ungumania bururiini EACC nirwendekithetie watho mweru kuhitukio niguo kuona kana nomakinyire mbeca iria ciuragira mokoini ma turianime, na kamiti ino ni itaririe ati mbeca nyingi ni ciuraga na makiria kumana na ungumania, guku makiuga korwo kugie na bodi ya mwanya ya kuhurana na undu uyu no ikorwo igiteithĩrĩria na njira nene ni undu wa kuhurana na ungumania uria wingihite muno bururiini.
Reporting of cases, we receive reports from any person and any person. Some force is required. Even during arrest, there is some limited allowable use of force. But I do not agree that we should unnecessary or force that is beyond what is recognized by the law to effect arrest.
I think the problem we have in this country about the mega corruptions is because a lot of money that is actually stolen from this country is put in overseas countries' offshore accounts. And the problem is that we don't have adequate muscle or adequate law to be able to prevent this money from moving outside the country. And once the money has already moved out, it is difficult to recover it or bring it back, because no law compelling the recipient country to return that money back to Kenya. And therefore, that's why as members of parliament, we are now at the forefront to try and come up with a law that will help the EACC first to prevent this money from leaving the country, and then second,
you may not recover the whole full amount, and you may even easily lose track of even whatever that you are following to recover.
To curb that, we are already proposing 2 laws, and I think some of them are already being executed. Yesterday, we had of the Anti-Money Laundering and Combating Terrorism Financing Law Amendment, number 35. It was read the first time yesterday in the National Assembly. We also have Proceeds of Crime and Money Laundering Amendment Bill that is already, I think it's on the 3rd reading, if I'm not wrong. So, and we have asked them to interrogate these 2 pieces of legislations so that they can see how we can be able to accommodate the loopholes and the gaps that they already have identified. And yes, we can confirm there is a problem because EACC is not able to block money from moving from Kenya to other countries. They are only able to block money when the money has already been confirmed that the money is for trade, because of course there are some records that are provided by the banks. No, he did not ask a